Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into the world of natural soap and sharing some secrets you probably didn't know. If you're a health enthusiast, this video is definitely for you. So let's get started. First off, let's talk ingredients. Natural soaps are made from plant-based oils and butters like olive oil, coconut oil and shea butter. Unlike commercial soaps, which often contain synthetic detergents and harsh chemicals, natural soaps are kinder to your skin and the environment. These ingredients are not only moisturizing but also packed with nutrients that can benefit your skin. Did you know? Many natural soaps contain essential oils which are not just there for fragrance. Essential oils like lavender, tea tree and eucalyptus have therapeutic properties. For instance, lavender oil is known for its calming effects, while tea tree oil has antibacterial properties. So your soap can double up as a mini spa session every time you use it. Here's another cool fact. Natural soap is often handmade in small batches. This means each bar is crafted with care and attention to detail. Many artisans even use traditional methods like cold-process soap making. This method helps preserve the natural benefits of the ingredients, giving you a high-quality product. Now, let's talk about sustainability. Choosing natural soap is a great way to reduce your environmental footprint. Many natural soap brands use eco-friendly packaging and source their ingredients responsibly. Plus, since these soaps are biodegradable, they don't contribute to water pollution. So you're doing your bit for the planet too. But wait, there's more. Natural soaps are often free from artificial colors and fragrances. These additives can sometimes cause skin irritation, especially for those with sensitive skin. So if you've been struggling with skin issues, switching to natural soap might be worth a try. And finally, let's not forget the community aspect. By purchasing natural soaps, you're often supporting small businesses and local artisans. It's a wonderful way to contribute to your local economy while getting a top-notch product. So there you have it. Natural soap is not just a cleanser, but a little bundle of goodness for your skin and the planet. If you found these secrets interesting, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.